Welcome back to the channel and to part 2 of this carbon lead battery making, well, whatever it is, adventure. So here is the cell that I made in the first video. I've left it now for a clear couple of days just to see what might happen if I switch it on now. So let's see. And just about running. I'll turn this other light off. Yeah, you can just about see it is still running. So it will recuperate some of its energy, but of course that's incredibly low and rubbish. So the whole point of this video is to add a solar cell. This is off a regular garden light, and a diode, such that when it goes dark at night and I switch it on, then we'll be able to just run this without it trying to do anything with the solar cell as well. So that's the idea of the video, to make this now solar rechargeable and run those lights at night. Now also, if you look out there, that's, what is that, 36 Celsius or something? Anyway, 100 degrees Fahrenheit showing on there. And so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to protect the cell itself. Otherwise, being exposed like that, it'll dry out in about an hour or something with the sun on it. So what I'll do is I'll put it in this bag and seal that up, let the wires come out of the top, and that will offer some protection. I may put a box over it, something like that. Anyway, it's just for testing. I just don't want the thing drying out in the day. This solar cell puts out 3.12 volts without a diode on it. Take off about half a volt with the diode. Should be fine. So quickly, here's the setup. There's the cell now in the bag, which I'll wrap up tighter and put into actually one of these, which is the 30 LEDs thing from Dollar Tree. Put that in there, let it charge up in the day, and then for this experiment I'll take the leads off when it goes dark, connect up to the circuit and see how the lights run. And just to say, now that it's in that box, the cell is at 1.05. And here we go, it's on the back step and it's now charging. It's about midday, so a bit of time to charge up. It'll be cool to see how this goes. Well, I've come out a few minutes later just to check the little system, and yeah, after 3 weeks I don't think we'll be having a sunny day. I heard thunder up there. Oh man. Well, you might be able to hear the thunder in the background. I've moved it now onto this shelf, it's higher up, so it shouldn't get drenched, hopefully. Looks like I've moved it just in time. Started raining. Well, that's great for solar, eh? It's now 4 o'clock and it looks like we're stuck with this. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it does get enough charge to run those lights. Okay, it's now 5 PM and the weather's not changed. So, we'll see what's on this at the moment. Disconnected one of the leads. And, oh, we've got 1.6 on it. So that's not too bad, is it? Right, I'll reconnect for the remainder of the daylight, see if we can trickle a little bit more into it. What I've also done is to string the lights across, just across the back here. And then hopefully if they light up, you'll know where they are. And things didn't change for the rest of the day, just clouds, rain, just bad weather. Righto, moment of truth, I've connected up. I'm going to flick the switch. Oh look, we have lights. Oh yeah, quite nice as well. Oh, very cool. Okay, well, I'll see how long this runs now. But I'm very pleased. Yes, it did take some charge today. It's now 9 o'clock and they're beginning to flicker a little bit. Well, they're still evidently running. Very cool. "9:30, still trundling along." Well, it's now 10 o'clock and they are fading off some. But considering the weather conditions today, it did take a charge. They've done quite well. But yeah, they're fading off now at about 10 o'clock. Okay, well, thanks for watching and see you next time.